This is, at the time of filming, the latest entry into the line of supported models, the Toyota MR2 Mark II antenna delete. Due to the rather rare way the antenna is built into the spoiler, I've actually got the opportunity to show the process from a more complete camera angle than usual. So here we go. I've already prepared the first part, which is fairly well documented, removal of the external trim piece. First, unscrew the, in this case, external antenna nut that holds the antenna in place. Once you've done that, on the car basically, you remove these two nuts from inside the trunk, which hold the whole trim piece in place. It takes about a minute. Most other antennas have rectangular cutouts which help the antenna delete self-align. With this one, we're gonna have to do that. The upside is that the assembly is easier to handle. I've already prepared this antenna delete, painted it, and applied the gasket beforehand. So, just put it there. Number one. Now, we take the mounting bracket and place it on the inside like so. Make sure everything is aligned like this. Okay. Put the screw and start to hand tighten it. Just a little bit will do. On the inside, the little teeth will assist with retaining the bracket in the right position. So, outside, we need to make sure that the bend on the spoiler aligns well with the antenna delete, which in this case we have it like so. I'm giving it a bit of force from the outside until everything sits smoothly. And when tightening, we constantly checking the circumference to see that the fitting is done well. And done. Now back at the car, we still want to close the other hole that the antenna was going through. A bit of duct tape is actually enough, but I'm going to use some aluminium butyl from the inside. There we go. Outside, I'm still going to put a little bit of tape for good measure. And done. The only other thing we have to do is take the trim piece, put it on the car like so. Put the two nuts back in, just like when you removed them before. Actually, the first time I've seen this for myself, the first time I've put this on, I really like it. I really like it. If you like what you see, either for this car or for other makes and models, visit skronline.net or antennadelete.com and get in touch. Thanks for watching.